Namaskar Cambridgians, bonjour tout le monde, je pense que vous allez bien et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec un nouveau sujet, c'est l'adjectif interrogatif et pronom interrogatif. Okay, children, I think we have already discussed this topic in ninth class, that is adjectif et pronom interrogatif. Adjectif interrogatif, c'est très simple. Nous avons quatre options. We have four options. Quel, Quel, quel. On utilise avec le nom masculin. We use quel with masculine noun, then quell, quel with feminine noun, and then quels, masculine plurial. A quelles, quel, feminine plurial. We have already discussed this topic in ninth class and it's very simple, and I've already told you, and children, the pronunciation of all these words are same. Okay, then next, for example, you just see these examples. Quel parfum achètes-tu? Parfum ici c'est masculin, it's masculine, so I have used here quel. Okay, because parfum say masculine. Then quelle saison utilises-tu? Which scissor do you use? Now this word saison is always, the spelling is masculine plural, so that's why quels. It's correct. By mistake it's, so it's masculine plural, so quels. Then quelle crème préfères-tu? Quelle crème? Crème say feminine, feminine singulier, so quelle. Pronunciation of all these words are same. Then quel lac aimes-tu? Lac is nail polish, so which nail polish you like? So quel lac, it's feminine plural, so quelles. Je pense c'est clair parce que c'est très simple. Et après ça, after that, oui, pronom interrogative. Nous avons déjà discuté ce sujet aussi. We've already learned this topic. Now see, pronom interrogative is lequel. One is lequel, that is for masculine singular. Lequel, masculine plurial. Laquelle, feminine plurial. A lequel, quelles, feminine plurial. Now you can see this example. Here quel, adjective interrogative we have used, that is quel film as-tu vu? Which film have you seen? Then which one have you seen? If you don't want to use the noun, and instead of that you just want to say which one have you seen. Now which one, why we have used lequel here, children? Because here film is masculine singular, so for which one we have used lequel. Now here second sentence, avec quel ami, with which friends you went out. So here ami is masculine plural, with which ones you went out, so with which ones here it's masculine plural. Okay, why masculine plural? Because army, we are talking about army, and army here is masculine plural, so we are using lekel. Okay, then next example, the say the perfume. Yes, now this point is very important. Whenever the is there, like from these two perfumes, from all these scissors, so when the is there, from these two perfumes, which one do you buy? So from these two, and after that you will not use plural, you will use singular form only, because out of these two perfumes, which one do you buy? So out of these two you will buy one, so it will change, perfume will change to singular, and it's masculine, so masculine singular, we have used lequel here. Then from all these scissors, which one do you buy? Now children, why here from these, and we have not changed this into singular? See children, the spelling of scissor is always this only, for masculine also, for singular also, and for plural also. It's Ciseux, it's plural. So from these scissors, which one do you use? So it is, the spelling is plural only, so we are using plural form only here. Then from these two creams, which one do you buy? Now two creams are there, and cream is here feminine plural. So out of these two, which one do you buy? So we'll change it into singular, and it's feminine, so it will be lakel. Then the two say lac. From all these nail polishes, which ones do you buy? Which ones do you like? So again it's plural, and spelling is same for singular and plural. That's why we have written plural only. Okay. Then laquelle as-tu acheté? this one is a new point. See, this I'll explain you later. But first you see this example. Voici the eau de toilette. Eau de toilette is perfume. Okay. Here are two perfumes. Now this word eau, which means water also. This word is feminine. That's why here are two perfumes. Which one do you buy? And this is feminine. And when we change it into singular, that's why answer is laquelle here. Okay. Then next, if you take this laquelle laquelle with preposition a or the, then for example, if you want to say to which cinema did you go, so which one, in which one did you go to see the film? For example, sentence, so in which one, so cinema is masculine here and a is there, so a plus laquelle becomes oquel. Then from which students do you speak, which of these students do you speak, from which ones? Now instead of from which students, if you want to say from which one, now it is feminine plural. This is es is there, so it's feminine plural. So the plus laquelle is, the plus laquelle is dequel, so it's feminine plural dequel. Regardez lesquelles de ces photos préfères-tu? Which one of these photos do you prefer? Now again here photos is feminine plural, so we are using lesquelles here feminine plural. Then à laquelle de tes amis as-tu? Which of from like to which of the from your friends do you speak? So now here from your friends, and friends here is feminine plural. Okay, so from these friends, which one do you have you spoken? So out of these, you will say that out of these friends, which one? So it's plural, so we'll change it into singular, and it is feminine singular, we'll change it into feminine singular, so alakel. Then accord, if you want to say that which one you have invited, which one here means friends only, we are continuing with this sentence only, so which one have you invited, which of these friends? So friends is plural here, so lesquelles is feminine plural here, because ami is feminine plural. So if we are doing this, we have to accord in the participe passé, it's feminine plural, so in accord we have written es because ami is feminine. I hope you have understood this. Then next, I have taken one example, like I have taken one activity. What is there in this activity? Un ami dit qu'il a fait les choses suivantes pendant le week-end. A friend says that what he has done, he has made following things during the weekend. Okay, so example, j'ai vu une pièce de théâtre. For example, one friend is asking to another, j'ai vu une pièce de théâtre. I have seen a theater play. So the other friend, oh yes, which one? Now the other friend is asking which one. Now why he has used laquelle? Why not lequel? Because here first friend is asking about the role play and une pièce. Pièce is feminine here. Okay, PS is feminine here, so that's why we have used feminine singular here, laquelle. Then, j'ai visité une exposition. I have visited an exhibition. Exposition, ça veut dire exhibition. Okay, so oh, now other friend. Oh yes, which one? Now which one here? Why it is laquelle? Because exposition, yun. You can see the article also given, yun. So it's feminine. Exposition is feminine. So we are using laquelle. Then next, j'ai acheté des produits de beauté. I have bought some beauty products. Oh yes, which ones? Now the other friend is asking which ones. Now why he has used lesquels masculine plural? Because beauty products. Products here, produit, say masculine pluriel. It's masculine plural here. So for masculine plural, we'll use lesquels with QUELS. Okay, then third sentence, j'ai essayé beaucoup de crème. I have tried lot of creams. Oh yes, which ones? Now lot of creams. Crème, ça veut dire cream is a feminine plural. It's feminine plural. So which ones we have used feminine plural? Okay. Then some more sentences are there. J'ai rencontré plusieurs amis. I have met many friends. Now the other friend is asking which ones, like which friends you have met. So friends here, we are talking about friends. It's masculine plural. So lesquels masculine plural. J'ai écouté un opera. I have listened opera. Which one? Now opera is masculine singular, so lequel is the answer. J'ai invité une amie. I have invited a friend. Which one? So friend here is feminine, so we have used feminine. Je pense c'est clair. Après ça, nous avons quelques exemples, quelques plus exemples. Attendez, oui. Euh, Jenny vous décrit ce qu'elle fait. Janine describes you what she has made as some precisions. For that, use the appropriate pour cela, utiliser la forme appropriée à the. Okay, in second now this activity I have used a plus the also you have to use in this activity. Now you can see this example. Je appartiens à un club dramatique. I will go for a club, dramatic club. Oh, good. Which one? To which one? Now, a is there. Preposition is there in the sentence. So, a and this a club dramatique. It's masculine. We a club dramatique. So, a plus lequel will become okel. So, answer is okel. If other person is asking to which one, so okel. Then, je m'intéresse au sport. I am interested in sports. Now, sports here is plural. AUX. So, a plus plural. A plus plural. So, okel. Then, je fais partie d'une carol. That means I make a part of carol. So, oh, good. From which one? From which carol? So, now why de laquelle? Because here in the question, de is there plus partie d'une carol. Carol, ça veut dire carol. Okay, like a song. So, it's feminine. So, that's why de plus laquelle. So, de laquelle is the answer. Then, je vais participer à un championnat de tennis. I'm going to participate in a championship of tennis, like tennis championship. So now, if somebody says, oh, good, which one? In which one? So I is there. In the question only, preposition I is there, plus it's feminine. Championship is feminine. Is given, article is given. So a plus lequel will be auquel. Je pense que c'est clair. Et les étudiants, c'est ce sujet est aussi très important parce que après ça, nous avons l'autre sujet pronom relatif composé. A pronom relative composé is a part of this only and that will come in board. So please before discussing that topic revise this topic properly and I hope that it's understood. Bonne chance, au revoir, amusez-vous et étudiez bien proprement. Study properly children. Au revoir.